Hello everyone, today we are going to find mode from statistics. Find the mode of the following data. So here data is given monthly consumptions and number of consumers. So mode for group data. So here the data is given in group 60 to 80, 80 to 100. So there is different formula to find the mode for ungrouped data. Here to find the mode for group data is our formula is L plus, in bracket we have to write f minus f, 2f minus f close the brackets into h. So here 10102. In this way you can easily remember the formula. So I have written like this. I have written f before, then f1 f0, f1 f0 f2. So now here this, let us make the column in the solution first. So here we have to find the mode. So for that we need number of consumers also. I have written here. Now first we'll write class intervals, that is nothing but monthly consumption, number of consumers. Number of consumers are nothing but, in place of frequency we are taking, this is nothing but monthly consumption. Now we will write the number of consumers, frequency. Now make the columns and write the given data 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. So these are nothing but class intervals, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. So after writing this, we will write the number of consumers, 8, 10, 16, 20. So don't skip single number. Check your values once. So here first let us see what is f1, f0 and f2, L and h. So here f1 is nothing but frequency of modal class. Frequency of modal class means here the highest frequency is 20. 20 is nothing but f1. 120 to 140 is modal class. Now what is f0 here now? f0 is nothing but frequency of the class preceding the modal class. Here the modal class is 120 to 140. So before that 16 is there. Okay, frequency of the class 100 to 120 is the class preceding the modal class and its frequency is 16. So the number is 16 f0. So now we got f0 and f1. Now let us find f2. f2 is nothing but the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Succeeding the modal class means our modal class here is 120 to 140. Succeeding means after that 140 to 160 is the class which is succeeding to 120 and 140 after that. So its frequency is 14. So 14 is f2. So we got f0, f1, f2. You can see here the class, this is our modal class. Here 120 is the lower limit. L we got. Now h is nothing but size of class or height of class. Here you can see the difference is nothing but 20. If you subtract 80 minus 20, you will get 20. So the difference is what? 20. So our height h is nothing but 20. You can see in each class intervals. Now mode, we will substitute the values. We got values for each variable. Now we will substitute it. L is nothing but 120 plus f1 we got highest frequency minus f0. Before that 2 in brackets we will write f1 20 minus f0, again 16 before f1, then minus f2, that is after f1, into h. H is nothing but height 20. So 20 over here. Now first we will solve whatever is there inside the bracket according to the BODMAS rule. 20 minus 16, 4, 2 20s are 40, minus 16 minus. So these are having same signs. We will add this and keep the greater number sign into 20. Now 20 plus, now you can see here BODMAS, BODMAS. This is the rule for basic mathematical operations we have to use. So first we will subtract. 40 minus 30 will get 10. Now what we have to do, addition or multiplication. So according to the BODMAS rule, what we have to do, first we have to see the brackets, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay, so here you can see we can cancel it, 0 0. Then you will get 120 plus 4 into 2. So plus is there, multiplication, addition, multiplication both are there, but first comes multiplication according to BODMAS rule. So we will multiply 120, 4 2s are 8, then add 128. So this is our mode.